So we are currently working on a project with Louisville MSD in Bullitt County. For us, the Community Benefits Program is something that I've actually not seen before, but I think it's a fantastic idea. So we wanted to pick an opportunity that was local.
So we were so excited when Gresham Smith reached out to us, expressing interest in volunteering at Bernheim Forest and Arboretum as part of the Louisville MSD Community Benefits Program.
We've done a couple projects here at Bernheim Forest, and so working with our local Louisville group, we had reached out to them. They weren't on the list, and so it was a great opportunity to see what they had, where we could support and get them involved in the MSD program.
So Bernheim Forest is a brand new partner to MSD, and we couldn't think of a better way to kick off this awesome partnership than installing a beaver dam analog.
And what it is it just is a series of posts that goes across the stream, and it provides an anchor for them to come in, and you can see where we've piled some brush in front of it, gives them a little bit more to build on. And this was a site that the beavers had already been using, and they had tried to build a dam here last year, and for some reason they had abandoned it and moved on downstream. So this year when they come back, they're going to find that they've already got a lot to work with, and so we're hoping that they're going to pick up on this location and improve this dam and create a whole wetland here behind us. One of the goals at Bernheim is to slow down the water and keep it on site as long as possible. It recharges groundwater, it provides habitat for all the animals and plants here at Bernheim. And so this is going to slow down the runoff. It's going to provide more water in Lake Nevin throughout the year, and it's going to reduce flooding and other water quality issues downstream. And part of the reason that we love the beavers here at Bernheim is because they're ecosystem engineers. And when they come in and to build a dam and to provide habitat, it really ripples through the ecosystem, and it provides for other animals such as otters, shorebirds, amphibians, ducks. All these animals really come in around these beaver habitats.
So not only are there 20 employees from Gresham Smith coming out to Bernheim, or came out to Bernheim to volunteer, but they also made a donation that will go towards field trip scholarship funds for schools here in Bullitt County. So it's directly impacting the county where Gresham Smith is doing their project with Louisville MSD.
This is a way to really come together and provide that benefit to the community.
It has been fantastic. We are so grateful to be kickstarting this partnership with Louisville MSD. We hope this is the first of many to come.